Trade Center, original, and all the flags of the United Nations. These represent all the countries that lost people on 9/11. Yes, yes. Be a line of rubble here. Yes, it's catching on something. That is that steel up there. So that gives you. It actually can be as high as 7 stories in places. 7 stories high. Horizontally, vertically and horizontally. Both super strong. Also help people. Okay? Level of where the towers would be, except that the space, this is one of them.
Yes.
And it was important to a federal mandate to keep some of the original space, which is why this wall is here.
That is the original one.
It's the job was to keep the water out. This was originally water where we're standing right now, and they built it up by.
Okay.
But it's fairly thin steel compared to the steel foundation. Part of the steel.
Was built by Queste sono le scale originali che sono state fatte nel 1960.